We're live. Super rangy looks like.
Yeah, in this area here. Not really sure. I don't really have like a direction I want to see yet.
No, I agree.
Do have Asia low at 0.85, but we have SMTs like all down here, so I'd have to see ES come lower.
Yeah.
And then there's SMT up top.
Yep.
So
I didn't realize Dodgy goes. He live streams completely for free on TikTok.
I think he does it like, I don't know if it's every day, but I think once in a while.
Shit.
It's 5 minute gap.
Yep.
Double SMT at the top, double SMT, or like triple SMT at the bottom. We did inverse that hourly down, so it could send us towards Asia. Previous day low is a daily gap.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we did inverse.
It's 15-minute. Here's more than likely going to inverse. Smaller 15.
We're starting to get weak here.
Mm-hmm. In 50 seconds, this 15 will inverse. Yeah, highest time frame gap so far. There's a 30-minute gap right below that. I don't usually use it, but it's the last gap in the leg.
Okay, it's worth noting for sure.
So last gap in the leg, and then if we get weak through it, there's still room to target to Asia. We just tapped it right now.
Mm-hmm. The suspicious wick from yesterday is like earnings, and I feel like we did forward test it the last earnings that came out. Isn't it considered like a data wick?
It would be, but then like on the lower time frame, it's like it was just like, or well, actually no, on the 5-minute it does look fine, like the 4 p.m. candle. I think when I looked at it on the 1 minute, it was like a leg down. But
Like,
honestly, that whole like leg is like a data leg, so honestly, that could be valid.
and that data like the low is previous day low. It could be something worth just keeping in the back of our minds.
Yeah, if we get heavy, I mean, I'd target it for like 160 points away.
Yeah.
For now, I'd want to target Asia, and then like if we blow past Asia and that's where we're going next, then I would target that.
Yeah.
ES is far from Asia. ES is like in a range at the top, and Q's like grinding down.
Yeah.
So we could also just end up buying up because ES is ranging. ES might like lead, and then Q catches up. So we'll see. But we're in this 30-minute, and then we have this 5-minute up top. So we'll see like
Mm-hmm.
if we hold the 5 minutes, stay weak, or if we flip through the 30. And then also we have 30-minute would close on the open, so we could also close through it,
True.
which would be good.
Yeah.
Couple conditions to work off of.
Yeah.
So far, the 15 is just making lower highs and lower lows. So, I mean, that's, just bearish alone.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
ES is putting SMTs in at the top and then holding bearish. So,
Yeah, I like that candle close on ES at 15-minute.
yeah. Short term right now, I'm bearish more so than bullish.
I would agree, yeah.
I'd be bullish if we, like, flip this price leg here or, just get strong through these, like, low resistance highs. Because we do have, like, engineered highs above. So, we'll kind of just see. But for now, I'm leaning bearish, I think.
Yeah, and just taking a look at YM took out everything. Previous month high, previous day high, London,
Yeah.
everything.
And now YM's holding bearish, so.
Yeah.
Also like an AMD on YM, kind of.
Yep, I agree.
But if we end up moving opposite, then it would mean that ES and NQ go higher.
Okay,
We'll see how it plays out.
Yeah.
But for now, we do have that S&T at the top of the range.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually solid. Let's see. So like yeah, so there's like a crazy S&T at the bottom, like on the 15, like the 6 a.m. candle low. We still have an S&T there.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
ideally, if we see ES like take that low out and validate that SMC, then I would think we're bearish
Okay. Fair.
because we're slowly coming down and taking out like other internal SMTs here.
Mm-hmm.
So if ES takes that one out, I would like it. Uh, yeah, we pretty much have like two at the bottom, two at the top of this range. So now we have to see like which side do we invalidate. I'm hoping today's like relatively clean because FOMC is done. So I kind of want the last 2 days of the market to be decent.
Do we have red folder? Do you know today?
We only had some at 8:30, but I don't think we have any
Okay.
left. Nah. NQ doesn't look terrible. It's really ES that looks rangy, but that price, like that move down, looks pretty like correlated.
Yeah, I want to see it continue to follow through with this now.
I also took like the London like manipulation, like the London high that we made, and then like the low on the 15, kind of like the 315 high to the 3 a.m. low. I took that manipulation like, and then like Asia's pretty aligned at the 2.5.
Okay.
And then right now, like we're off at like 1.5. So if we just start bleeding down, I'm just gonna assume we go for Asia, to be honest. And I feel like the hourly gaps would have held us higher if we wanted to go higher.
No, I agree with you there.
So we'll see. And then if that 4 p.m. wick low is like, if we can use that as a data low, that'd be good. The -4 aligns with that too. So
Yeah. Yep. I have that as well. I agree.
and then yeah, so that's like could be like a data low. It's also previous day low, and it's a daily gap fill.
Okay. Yeah, that's valid.
Yeah. This current price range right here is aligned, so we'll see how we respect the 5 minute for what we do. Mark is 30. Yeah, it looks like a 5 minute up top will be our condition to the open, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Low key, if 925 spikes up into that 5 minute and then we start getting weak off the open, that'd be kind of sick.
Oh yeah, I would take a stab at that.
That wouldn't be too bad. I do want to keep in mind that technically ES is holding those hourly gaps. So that's like the other thing that's throwing me is that correlation. ES is holding above the hourly gaps, but NQ's below it.
I see that. Yeah.
So we
I
have to
mean,
figure out which one is lagging. Like, is ES lagging or is NQ lagging to
I
go
th-
higher with ES?
I think ES is the one that's lagging. I mean, there is that obvious, SMT that we see right here.
Yeah, that's what I would think. The
I
only thing that would throw me too is London highs are equal highs for ES, like equal highs and very smooth edge like highs.
I did see that also. I don't know if those are engineered highs or if it's high resistance at this point. I really don't know.
Could be used for manipulation too.
Yeah.
ES could sweep them out
Yeah.
and make another SMT at the top.
True.
External SMT.
I also
Many
have
scenarios, but most of them lead to bearishness.
Yeah, I also have noticed when there's like an SMT between YM and NQ, but ES and NQ are like correlated, the SMT doesn't usually play out. It's usually when there's a cracking correlation between NQ and ES, and then YM is
Yeah.
like failing between one of them too.
Yeah, usually you'd want to see like YM's movement be kind of discorrelated, or you're looking at the movement of YM. Because all like the, I guess, like mechanical SMTs are hard to use for YM.
That's very true. Yeah, I completely agree with you.
Yeah. You're better off using like divergence and movement versus like actual highs and lows SMTs.
Yeah.
See what we do here though. Yeah, this range so far we're correlated. So looks weak. Could see a retrace and continuation possibly. I want to take the fib from this top to bottom on the 5 minute to see where that gap falls in. We have golden pocket inside that 5 minute gap. Like the
That's
small
nice.
of this low time frame range.
Yeah. Yeah, it lines up perfectly.
And also the 15 might end up making a gap too right here.
Oh, word. I like that.
Yeah. Alright, not bad. I'm bearish for now.
Here's 925. Let's see.
See a little spike up ideally. I would like some manipulation off the open. I'm not sure what kind we'll get now because S&T at the top, we might not have to take highs.
Yeah.
Might just be a gap tap, if anything.
Gap SMT. Yeah, I would like that.
So if you look at the 15, right, and you see that inverse, so we inverse that bullish gap, and then you look at where the 5 minute aligns, I could see us manipulating into that area because they overlap.
Yeah. Like the BPR.
And then coming lower.
Yeah. I agree with you.
That would align on like the fib retrace, and then we also have this bearish 15 we'll make. We'll see what comes out of that. So basically, to be bullish, like this leg would have to completely flip up. So right now, there's no reason to assume higher, I think.
Nah, I would agree with you too. I want to see us just tap this 5 minute and flush at open.
Yeah. The only things that would hold us up at the SMTs at the bottom, the internal, and then the 30-minute gap. I mean, last gap in the leg. Yeah. And then ES is 1 hour. But if ES is lagging behind, we should assume like it's gonna start flushing through. I either just want to catch a nice easy trade down to Asia. That's all I want, down to 085.
Facts.
Because from that to previous day low is just a huge gap in between. So it's like actually, how far is that Asia low to previous day? 92 points. Let's see. And then if NQ takes, we'll probably make an SMT with ES there too.
Yeah.
What the?
Damn.
Slight
What's going on, y'all?
What's up, Rob?
Cooling.
Ready to smack another trade?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it.
Yeah. this thing comes back up to that 5 minute or that order block right above it, I'm taking the sell to Asia low. I don't care what's going on.
I like what you see.
See what we get. Still hanging this 30. Might not end up inversing it. But yeah, Asia does seem clear on this, like down on NQ. That's the thing.
Still, I'm holding that put from yesterday.
Should open up green here, right?
Yeah, I mean, kind of. I'm almost break even, but I don't know. I want to see us. I wanted FOMC to deliver us like down yesterday.
Yeah, it's just because they didn't change anything, so it just did nothing.
Yeah.
Literally. So left everything unchanged. All right, so we'll make this 15-minute into the open. It's
All right.
open.
Market open.
Into the 15.
Yeah.
Yes, tap the 5-minute.
And it's 15 minutes.
Yep.
Lions bull running.
Yes, it's kind of fine. Dude, we barely missed the 30-minute close on the open. Like, it was so close.
Really?
Yeah, like it like closed so nice too. Alright, going at 15. Yeah, starting to reject. We do have an SMT in that 5-minute as well now.
Oh, good shot. Yeah.
Eternal SMT. I don't see anything I like. I don't like the second chart, although the flip down could have been somewhat okay.
Yeah.
Now when Q's kind of being strong while ES comes down, we got rid of the gap SMT there.
Mm-hmm.
5-minute. Hmm. 15-second CIS. It's about to happen. I just can't take.
I did
Gotta
jab
send
that
now.
15-second.
Yeah, it's valid, honestly.
I'm break even though. I don't want to get caught in a retrace down here.
That's fair. Yes, is aligned on this move.
Flush it. Ah, shit. I got break even on that.
We are moving with some volume at least. And look at this 15-second gap. Not about to play a 15-second continuation though. That's insane. It's possible, but I just.
I missed that 5.
Oh man. Is it worth it? Nah. No second sharp. The 15 and the 5 are holding though so far. So I would assume Asia. There's no setup for me to take personally.
Yeah, nah. I like that 15-second the CISD, but I wanted
The
it to
continuation
just,
was decent. I was about to take it, but I just can't trade the second type. Refuse.
I wanted to see it just completely flush from there.
Yeah, I agree.
Here's -2 to 2.5.
Yeah, coming up on age. Yes, definitely weak.
Yeah.
The 1 minute just doesn't look good enough for me to take anything to Asia though. It would have had to been like that 931 flip, but I mean the risk to reward on that's kind of chalked.
Totally fair.
Very
Yeah.
chalked actually. Holy.
Coming down to this Asia low. This sucks.
Yeah, it's about to just. It's like, bro, the 15, like these little retraces, the 15-second are working, but it's like I'm not about to take that shit. That is insane.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. We are moving heavy though, so we might start drawing towards previous duo. It's just gonna be. We'll just have to wait. We are moving heavy. We're already down 90 points. There's Asia. So sad, man. I wanted Asia so bad.
Yeah, that would have been TP. I'm sick.
I just couldn't form an entry. I mean, the 15-second was very clean, but I don't trade it nearly enough to be confident. We're getting rid of SMTs all the way down. We do have one at Asia now, but I mean, we're weak. I do like the previous day low as the next draw into the daily gap.
I want this bitch to bleed. Bleed, bitch, bleed.
Looks like that previous day low is looking like the draw. Will we get an entry though to it? That's the real question.
Probably not.
We might see. Well below the 30-minute now, so I mean, I see nothing stopping us besides the fact that previous day low wick is just huge. But I don't think it's a rejection block. I think we'll go for the low.
Yeah.
Looking at how weak we are.
Mine's completely opposite.
Well, I guess that works out. I want to short here. It's just like where though? Where do you even get like an opportunity? You don't. And I'm not about to just chase price down. That's like the last thing I'm doing.
Totally fair.
That 15-minute gap tap was super fucking clean though.
I know. I honestly, bro, like, parts of me just wish that I just limited gaps that I know we're gonna hold, bro. Like, you know that gap's gonna hold, bro.
Yeah, I mean on the higher time frame, you could just play it at the internal high with a stop and yeah.
You know?
Yeah, we're about to just take previous day low. This is fried. Oh man.
This shit is just.
No way. It actually delivered so clean, but almost too clean.
Yeah.
Too clean to the point you can't even catch anything.
Yep.
Retrace this 1 minute. How big are these candles printing? 50 points at a time? Yeah, GG.
Jesus. Wow.
I mean, how do you can't catch anything down to
Nah.
there's no way. You don't even have like, there's not even like a 30-second retrace. There's nothing.
Bro, the 15-second retrace had open, bro.
True. Honestly, bro, you know what's crazy? I almost really took that gap
you did.
retrace.
I know. That's why I'm making fun of you.
I was gonna take the 933 close right there and just stop it right at the recent ass high into Asia low, and I just faded because I don't trade the.
Nah, this shit's caked, bro.
All right, give us a 1 minute gap tap, bro. 1 minute gap tap, good move off of it. Gonna use this 30 seconds. Right, that's it. It's also a 2-minute cap. This 1 minute's too close to the draw.
I think we're gonna come up a little more retrace first.
Fuck. Nah, I can't even answer that because I risked the reward from that gap.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, it's way too close to the gap to the draw.
Fuck! It's gonna do it. God damn it.
Yeah, the daily fair value gap is a good draw.
It is. I can't frame it with this 1 minute right here.
Yeah. Nah, I agree.
But we are super weak, so we might not go back up to the next. I want to see the 2 minute. It was crazy. I'm gonna wait for this setup to form, and then I'm gonna get fried on it. Watch if I do end up getting it. I know it already. I'm ready. Yeah. Send it. Send it. A 2 minute and a 3 minute up there.
Dude,
We're gonna make a big 5 minute all the way up top.
would I be crazy if I wanted to say that I want to see a 5 minute get formed before we take out
It
the
just
the
did.
draw? Well, no,
Just
like
did right now.
like
We
make
might
like
not get to tab.
wait for this whole next 5 minute candle to form.
Oh, you mean this candle right here?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe like a little
it's gonna-
AMD.
Nah, this shit's just gonna fucking flush.
This shit's going.
Oh, GG's.
Unless.
Dude, anyone that has their TP there is like actually like in shambles right
Yeah.
now.
Make this 5 minute, bro. Make a 5 minute. Make a little AMD. Tap the 5 minute.
If it does that, that'd be sick. But damn, bro.
Yep. Keep etching that low. Come on. I got 4 minutes left. Come on.
Oh yeah, here comes the fucking low.
Oh yeah, now it's caked. Are you in shorts right now?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Fuck no.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. So then I don't feel bad saying that.
Not out of that.
No. It's
Not out of
cooked.
that 1 minute. God.
Unless. Nah. If I caught an entry earlier, I'd be sick.
That's what I'm saying. If I did short right here,
Oh, I'd be sick.
yeah.
It looked like it tapped at 30-second, and then one to keep on going low, but I don't trust it 100%.
There's loads coming right now. It's about to hit.
Oh my god.
And then we're gonna have an SMT there too. Then it's all fried. Shit.
There it is.
Fuck.
Well. Now what?
Well,
Wow, that 15-minute, man. Jeez.
yo. Yeah. It worked. It worked.
That's gross.
I should have taken that 931 flip, but this stop where I wanted a TP at Asia. Just try. If I broke even at Asia and held the previous day low, it would work. That's not what I wanted. Now we're in this daily gap.
Now,
Fuck.
now this is when it's really gonna test my patience. Like, do I sell here at previous day low with the SMT?
That's a good question.
You know, just tap the daily gap. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know what we do from here now. I don't know if we just flush through this gap, continue going lower, or if this is like where we rebalance.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh wow. ES is
Well,
dumping.
yeah, holy.
Oh, holy crap. Holy.
I have a draw at 895 and one at 917. We might end up just going for those. Wait, this is moving. Cause holy shit.
How long does Apex take to send the funds after approved?
Uh, like I think it's like 3 to 7 days, somewhere between that.
37 days. Someone just asked on TikTok.
Yeah, something like that.
Wow, dude, this is actually getting pretty heavy. Like,
Yeah, it is.
Jesus. And YM is following now.
I just can't frame anything in this
No.
leg.
But wow, we're about to take that draw.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, about to take previous day low too. Holy shit.
Jesus Christ. It's blush.
Requested max 2K payouts balance was 54,100. That's fire, dude. Good shit, bro. That's a 40K payout.
It's a 2 minute gap up top, but I doubt we come into it. You're just falling. We're about to take those draws.
Yeah, this is cooked.
Fuck. I really would have had to just taken that 1 minute gap tap up there. I was too close to previous day low, and I wouldn't have held through the gap with like.
See, I agree with you. I wouldn't have, like, this is just...
S&T here. Hmm. 2 minute tap.
Yo.
Yo.
Oh shit, my Wi-Fi went out.
Very good.
Dude, I really need to get better Wi-Fi. This is so bad.
Oh, it's fucked. It's like, do I even short any retraces now?
Yeah, no, now it's hard. Because we did just push. You know,
You said what?
TikTok's fucking with me. We did push down, like nice into that daily fair value gap. So you don't know if we're,
Yeah.
you know, like that could be the low.
True.
I would like to see us close this fair value gap though. Dude, if we close this fair value gap, bro, I actually might. I don't know. I don't even know. I called this shit out like weeks ago.
Nah, you really did.
I'm dying for short. Reacted off of a
I'm watching this
30-second
1 minute
order
gap.
block.
Yes, it's looking like it's gonna flip 1 minute. It's like I'd be down to short again, but we just took out all the draws. We're in this daily gap. It could start coming up. That's just not worth it.
That's the scary part. Yeah.
Stopped out break even. I was up 20 points. I hate it.
This 3 minute gap got rejected a little bit as well. But I don't know, Mr. Jen.
I mean,
Minute flip there
yeah.
out of the 3 minute.
Let's see.
Next draw is 895 if we do continue.
Yep.
And then 845 after that. Or no, I'm sorry, 833.
Nice.
I'm gonna get break even, Jan.
Me too.
Dog. I just have my TV at 895. That's all I'm asking, man. I just want a piece of the move. Thank you.
Come on.
Please. Where's your TP?
895 too. Yeah.
I got stopped out, and now it's about to hit 895. I'm sick.
Yeah, the retrace and then the like. Honestly, the move that I played down was like kind of weird. It was like kind of a pre-fire.
I bet we broke even too early though.
Nah, we took out
Had
the
a
It's just
internal
a-
25
low
point stop in there.
after taking
Yeah, I
out
went
that.
break even. I went break even when we wick filled that bullish candle. Honestly,
Uh,
once we took out the body of it.
yeah. Nah, Rob. Whenever we take out the internal low or like the next swing high, always
Mhm.
you definitely want to go break even because you don't know if there's an SMT that we're not seeing or something. It's always
Yeah.
Bro, if this shit doesn't hit 295, I'm be or 895, I'll be sick.
come on.
Like 18 points left.
Oh yeah, fuck. What is happening?
Nah, no way.
Sick.
Yo.
Come on,
Nah, no way. Wow, I just got break even.
Sick.
My break even's at 961. I'll probably get break even though that candle's not good. Not when we're that close to the draw.
That sucks.
Fuck. Yeah, I'm probably gonna break even. Look at that close. If we're gonna take the draw, we don't get a candle like that, bro. It's so fried. I waited so long. Yeah, there's nothing to hold us down. Or 2 minute, but my break even's in the 2 minute.
Hyman, did you take this one too? This was a good one.
No, actually, I already took a gold trade in Asia today, so
Oh,
I'm
go.
not taking any.
Did you win?
Yeah. Yeah, I won on that.
Go work.
I just logged my accounts after that.
Go work. Go work.
Good, because we're about to take the most brutal break even of the century, and I'm
Yeah,
not
I'm
taking
watching
anything
that. But
loose.
like, I took this on paper. I got break even.
Yeah, I got break
This
even.
1 minute invest.
I'm about to get break
This
even.
was the only clean retrace like till now.
Yeah.
Here comes my break even, NQ. Why wouldn't you? Wait, is there hope?
Unless.
Unless ICT was right about the gaps. NQ, prove ICT right. Or I'm trading soybean futures for the rest of my life. Alright, let's find the magnet emoji real quick.
Yes.
It's gonna hit break even before I can find it. Oh, here we go. Magnet. Let's go. Hold up. Rotate the magnet. Enlarged. Alright, I got a fat magnet at 895.
Bro, literally all we had to do is just CE of the 15-minute fair value gap, bro. That's it. That's literally it. We know the fair value
Yeah.
Yeah, it's true.
we know the fair value gap's gonna hold coming into market open. There's SMTs
But see,
all
the thing
over
is
the
that's
top.
kind of predicting, right? Because like that's the condition we want to see. Are we gonna flush up through it, or are we gonna actually
That's
react
true.
down from it?
Yeah.
Typically, we'd get a confirmation down on the low time frame, and we just didn't. Like the 15, even like the initial confirmation the 15 gave, the first flip down, you would have got faked out on,
Yeah.
and like it just like you want to see a 1 minute kind of confirmation there, and there was really nothing except the 931 candle, which is like that's an alley candle.
I agree.
I get
with
scared
you,
of those.
honestly. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
And his stops are super discretionary. Like my stops are probably the only mechanical thing about my trading.
Yeah.
I don't run discretion stops because like that's like saying, oh, the market shouldn't go here because I said so.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Please, NQ, I have a magnet. Please. Please, NQ, please. My face is in the monitor, bro. I will headbutt this shit if we go my break even.
Come on.
Yo.
Spike it. Spike it.
Please.
No way. Come on.
Are we dead ass? All right. Fist is up to the monitor. Oh, let's go.
W, bro.
There you
The
go.
magnet worked.
There you
Oh,
Dude, I'm holding this put, bro. I'm holding it.
I mean, we're well below. We're not well below, but we're below that gap on the daily gap.
Oh.
So I mean, shit.
Bro, holy shit, dude.
You know what's crazy? My port was almost up another 1K. and now we're here.
No way,
Jesus.
dude. No way. No fucking way. Dude, I swear to God, if some tariff news comes out or I don't know, if some crazy world event news comes out, bro, everything is written in like before. Like everything is already predicted.
Yeah, nah, it's true.
ES is coming into this gap right now, this daily gap. If we close both, bro, oh, it's GG's. It's GG's, fellas.
Yeah, this shit is flushing. And then, of course, once I get my TP, we just continue to flush. And I should have. For these combines, I should just be holding to the furthest draw, huh? Extra 60 points. That would have been what? Extra 1,200 for these accounts?
Jesus.
That would have been helpful. We'll take it though. Fuck it. Like 2,700 per. I'm not trying to full port them, bro. But it's like, when I'm trying not to full port, I'm given the opportunity. Like, what the fuck is that?
Jesus, dude. Holy. Wow. Wow.
Oh, wow, it's right. Because holy spike down. Wait, there was 10 a.m. news, but it was a yellow folder. I didn't really think it was going to do anything. That was bigger than any 10 a.m. we've had in the last, 2 months.
Literally.
Wow. You're telling me I could have held. I had this 1 hour gap marked out at 8:03. That is 91 points from my entry. Or my TP, sorry.
Holy
Wow.
shit, dude.
But no, after that scary ass retest, I was not holding. That is insane.
Jesus. I wish I fucking bought more contracts now. I'm such a bitch.
Dude, we are flushing. Rip to the port. I was up 1% on the day. Now I'm negative.
Oh my god.
Rug pull of doom. Actually, that genuinely might be the top now of the market. GG's, guys. Bears 2026. Wow, we're actually going to go for all that LRLR on the daily.
Dude, I'm like the happiest camper in the world right now. I'm not gonna lie.
It's going to do.
My fucking show this life. My fucking show this life, man. Show this life. Fucking show this life, man.
No, this flush is insane. I can't lie.
Alright, the dashboard.
Where would the next draw be at?
At this point, I don't even have one. I didn't know we'd come down here this fast. 0?
So I'm looking for a 1 minute to get in, but I might just trail,
Yeah,
just
bro, we
stop
are going
all the
to
way
zero.
down.
At this point, the way this looks, I don't even know, man.
25K,
How
bro.
I
far-
might just leave this shit the
How
fuck
far have
alone.
we dumped off the open?
25.
390 points.
25K, bro. They looked at me crazy. 25K. Give me 25K.
We are plummeting.
Woo! Holy shit.
Holy
Holy shit.
Like, yeah, this is insane. This is the real FOMC move.
Holy shit, dude. No, this is actually unreal.
Whew. We are fucking blushing, guys. I should have bought puts with you, but guess what? I wasn't depositing in the Robinhood.
Bro, holy shit.
No more donations to Robinhood. Yeah, this is crazy that I cannot lie. I'm just glad I was able to catch a little piece. WNQ.
WNQ. Just keep bleeding and bleeding and bleeding and bleeding.
The more you beg, they're gonna send a Drake candle up. Are you sure, bro? Nah, bro. It's honestly like this. Yeah, this is pretty crazy. I wouldn't be surprised if Trump does say some shit about this dump. It's like what? Like we're down like, bro, what? Over 1%, maybe 2.
I'm just speaking today, right?
We're down 1.4%. Oh yeah, he's speaking at like 4, I think.
Yeah.
Jake. Oh, I
You think
can't.
these are his buddies? All his buddies
Yeah.
selling for his 4 p.m. speech,
Yeah. I think,
repositioning themselves. Nancy Pelosi's rubbing her hands.
I think the market goes to zero here, fellas.
Honestly, yeah, all-time lows. Send it to 1978 lows.
Bring this shit down.
Honestly, I was completely okay with not catching something, but I'm glad that retrace happened. And yeah,
I have still
W government shutdown, W tariffs, W Jerome Powell. Yeah,
Let's just send this bitch to zero, bro.
to be honest, yeah, might as well. You know what's crazy too? That the entry that I did take was it should have really failed because I should have really taken the 1 minute inverse, and
Yeah.
I really just took like a proper like 30-second close out of the 3 minute. So I took that first 30-second or the second bearish close, the 950 candle.
I see. Yeah. Honestly, dude, that was probably the best entry that you could have taken because you didn't get break even either.
Yeah. I mean, at that point, I'm just assuming that retrace and then the weakness after is just like continuation. I mean,
Yeah.
the risk to reward was decent enough for it. And then, honestly, if I would have got stopped out, I mean, I expected to get stopped out. I would be the one to take the first retrace and get fried. But NQ felt bad, perhaps. And dude, that little 1 minute gap, that 951 gap, like that holding is crazy as shit. Did you see AB got an AMG GT?
I did. Cocksucker. That shit's tall,
But I wonder,
bro. That shit is
bro,
tall.
the C63, he like curved it on his own and like ripped the oil pan or some shit.
Yeah, he like ran over some bullshit. He's an idiot.
hmm But the GT is like so much more of like a raw driver car, so it's like that car, like he might just fry that shit too.
Honestly, dude, I like the GT, but I don't know. I don't like it. I'm
It's
not
not
like.
it's not a daily driver
Yeah.
car. It's not like a car you just have on its own, because it has the speakers are not that great. It's all track oriented, so it's pretty much like you're getting everything for the road and nothing like for comfort.
Yeah. Agreed.
And then the drivetrain's the same as every other like AMG, has the
Mhm.
same motor and trans, just a different body.
Honestly, I'm not a whole big fan of it, honestly.
I'd get an AMG GTR.
I'd get a GTR. That's what I'd get. Damn, that thing's tough.
Nah, GTR would go crazy.
Good while you work out. I think this is the
I can't believe we dumped this far. Look at even
Bro,
like
we're
for
not
ES to
s-
be down almost 100 points is like insane.
We're not stopping, baby.
Doesn't seem so.
Bring it to 0.
Honestly, as long as this shit doesn't plummet all the way below where my shares are at. So for that to happen, we'd have to dump 10% down. We get like a 5-minute time, 3-minute, 2-minute. Fair. Oh wait, no. Oh, yeah, we did get a proper 2 minutes. Interesting. Bro, I don't even know where the next draws are. Hold on, let me see. Okay. So we're just sitting inside of a 4-hour gap. Next draw down is 658. 658 and 641.
Dude, it's kind of crazy because I bought a long dated out of the money put, and not only did my did we we've dropped so much, right, from when I bought it.
Mhm.
I'm only up like $400, which is like 30%. But
Mhm.
if I had bought like 0-day teas, I could have made like 10,000%. Like, it's just so crazy to me.
You should have set them to expire like midway into February or something like that.
Did I
Because like
do?
with that, assuming like that move, like that we got into that daily gap was like our accumulation. So you would assume distribution to start like pretty soon, right?
Right away, right? Yeah. I
So
I
I
don't
guess for
know.
that, you should have dated it like to expire midway through February, like second week February. It would have kept like volatility, but also you would have kept time at the
Yeah.
same time.
Yeah, I did screw up with the time, I think.
But it'll still be a profitable position either way.
Yeah.
And then at the same time, like you'll get killed less if we do get like light retraces or like light high time frame retraces.
True.
So, and then if you're assuming that we're gonna come through all that like daily low resistance, then it's dated, right? Because we'll
Yeah.
probably retrace a lot before we just take it all out.
Yo, thanks, Roy, bro. Gifted me.
W Roy.
W Roy. Get some W Roys in the chat.
Let's go.
Daniel, yeah, you definitely can, bro. We custom built Dodgy's indicator. It's absolutely insane. I don't know if it actually caught anything today because we have just been dumping. But let me see if it did.
Bro, part of me doesn't even like days that this happens. Like, we didn't even get like retraces that you could be confident in.
Nah, you didn't. There's nothing. Yeah, there was literally no entry. I mean, let me see if we got one flip here.
That 931 candle flip, that candle close will haunt me forever out of that 15 minute.
Yeah. Those pads
That's
were done all from hand, Daniel. Those were before the indicators or anything. Sorry, what were you saying, DP?
oh no, it's just like if I assumed we were just gonna go for previous day low like that, I would have taken it. But my draw was Asia. I would have got like a 0.6 R.
Yeah, no, I feel you. Yeah.
Right.
I'm pissed I took that break even at market open, bro. I should have just suffered the
Come
little
in
bit
again.
of drawdown.
I guess that's just like that just comes down, I guess, to like the volatility we had. We were just like moving like
Yeah.
hard. So the retrace is like that little retrace up was 50 points up.
Yeah, that was. Now we all do it by hand. We still do it by hand. But I mean, we have the indicator to help those who are new into trading. The indicator is really good, and it also helps keep us in check if we want to take only IFPG trades. It just helps keeps us in check. Dude, this put is starting to climb now. Up 40%.
Yeah, if we keep plummeting hard, it's gonna start getting volatile. The volume. These accounts are a little over 2/3 of the way now.
Good shit. The indicator is Dodgy's indicator, so it is this one right here. Dodgy DD IFG by taking profits. If you DM us, DM the account, and I'll send you a link to purchase it. Yeah, this thing is dumping, dude. Holy shit.
Wonder what happened.
Dude, something big is coming, bro. Holy
That's what I'm
crap.
saying.
I cannot believe this.
And oil was apparently like bull running oil futures.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Wait, let me check. So what's gold doing right now while this is happening? Also dumb. Oh. Whoa. Yo, I swear to God.
What?
Bro, you know Morgan Trades, right?
Yeah.
I promise you, I swear to God, last night he made a video while gold was literally at the top. And he goes, this is the perfect time to short gold. Bro, gold is down like,
Yeah.
bro,
holy
how much is
shit.
that from the top?
I'm looking at
Almost 300 points?
Yeah, wow.
Bro, he shorted silver, and the last time he did that, he made 3,500%.
Jesus. Yeah, Morgan Trades
He's
is a
about to
good
be
trader.
paid.
Yeah, he's a good trader.
He literally just uses moving averages, and like, he basically just said that gold was extended, and it's like a rubber band, so it's gonna have to snap back at some point.
Yeah. I mean, he's
That
he's
is
right.
crazy.
Yeah. Daniel, honestly, bro, to become a consistent trader, you gotta lower down the size. I think if you already know everything, you just gotta lower down the size and build your confidence in being right. So whether that's take 1 micro a day, 2 micros a trade, whatever the case may be, you just gotta build your confidence up, or go back to paper for 2 to 3 weeks, build your confidence, and then go from there. You want to? I mean, we teach the IFEG strategy. Yeah, that's all we do. I mean, we have a mentorship. If you wanted to join the mentorship.
You know what's crazy too? We're so correlated now. Like
Yeah.
the next draws are both aligned. It's the same draws.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Zero we go.
We're dumping right now.
To zero we go.
If you wanted to learn, DM us on this account. DM the TikTok, and I'll get you set up in the Discord. And honestly, dude, RR does not matter, because it matters about how much you're risking. So if you're risking, $2,000 per trade, but you're going for 1R and you make $2,000 per account, who's better than you? It all matters about how much you're risking. Daniel, if you send us a DM, we'll figure it out. Wow, dude, I can't believe how much we're dropping. How much we've dropped
Yeah, it's
today.
insane. Yeah, just off the open, bro. It's not even been an hour. Like,
Yeah, you're so right, bro. Holy shit.
we have dumped 450 points in less than an hour.
Jesus. Dude, like, yeah, ES is about to close us for value gap too. Not about to, but you know what I mean? Like, it's,
Yeah, like we're below it.
yeah, jeez.
All the pattern traders are about to take this inverse long if we get it. They
I'm-
don't care about the dump down 400 points.
Let me see. Oh, shit, yeah. Dude, but we swept previous day low, bro.
Facts. When we swept all those draws, we're down 450 points. No way we keep going down. This is it. The legendary 1 minute IFVG.
This is the bottom.
It would actually be insane if it happens and it truly becomes.
Oh yeah. And then we respect the fair value gap, and then inverse the daily, and then go to all time highs.
Nah, that'd be fucking wild.
It's crazy how things can change, how fast things can change.
How the tables turn.
Is anyone else looking for a trade? Does anyone want to go over any trades or anything?
Yeah, I think I'm about to full port everything I own right now, actually.
Into shorts.
Yeah, let's see. I just liquidated all my shares, putting all of it on QQQ leveraged shorts. All right, we got liquidated.
Oh jeez.
Nah, honestly, imagine if you did have leveraged shorts on QQQ right now. What is it, TQQQ? Or is it SQQQ, right?
Yeah, SQQQ
Versus shorts.
for
yeah.
shorts. About inverse.
Holy.
Uh-oh.
That candle is pretty huge.
Uh-oh.
The bottom question mark? Nah, imagine. Dude, no, that'd be insane. The only thing on the 4-hour that would tell me that is the gap. That's it. But there's no way, right? The last gap in the leg?
No, there's no way. I don't think so. I don't think that's the bottom, at least. I think we closed this fair value gap, honestly. Just the way that we dumped today, bro, that shit was crazy.
Yeah, honestly, you're not wrong.
I mean, unless I'm completely wrong. We just...
Unless I'm complete.
Unless this is the bottom.
Little inverse back into the 5 minute. The 5 minute sends us back down for the run lower.
Mm-hmm.
WMAC model.
WMAC model. Yeah, joystick, this is the daily time frame. I mean, this looks super clean for shorts, right? Like, it looks insane. All the low resistance liquidity we've built up, you know, the last 2 months. Yeah, 24K. Yeah, I have a price target of 25, around 25. I want to see these relative equal lows get taken out. So 24,850, and then yeah, definitely we could definitely come down to this low right here. I mean, what was this low? This was November's low. Yeah, I mean, even if we scale back to when tariffs got put in place and measure out from high to low, and then do the quadrants, let's see where we line up. 0.25, 0.75, and 0.5. So yeah, I mean 0.25 was perfect actually, I mean, that was a perfect retrace into this quadrant.
Speaking of retrace, let me actually see something. I want to see where, like, if we take the fib before that 15 minute, I want to see where we would. So, retrace into 0.618 to the tick. True. Huh.
Did we?
Yeah.
Wow.
If you take like the top from 840, like around there, to like where we open to the bottom of like the 930 candle. Yep. That 930 candle opened, and then it missed 0.618, and the next candle came up, swept that high, tap 0.618, tap CE of the 15, which actually aligns perfectly with the golden fall. That's so disgusting.
Jesus.
That's actually insane. Wow. And yeah, now we're down here. W.
W's in the chat. W Roy, W Roy. This is how I think of it. Everyone is buying meta now, which is liquidity for banks to sell to go low. I mean, yeah, you could be right. You know, 100%. You know, I just the way I think the market in terms of AMD, like that's how I perceive the market to be. So accumulation phase, this entire phase, right? You know, I don't even know what this was. Like this was just government shutdown. Was this even government shutdown? I don't even remember. But like this was all just accumulation phase. We have this daily fair value gap. ES, we see it swept out all-time highs multiple different times. And then we're rejecting from this daily fair value gap, close this inverse fair value gap. I mean, we see this on the lower time frames all the time, like all the time. And, you know, whatever happens on the lower time frames happens on the higher time frames. So, you know, I think that they're going to use some sort of a catalyst, some sort of a news catalyst. I mean, they kind of have to, unless, you know, we just start plummeting out of nowhere. But I think something big is going to happen soon, honestly.
Trump's about to get impeached.
Could be
The
it.
purge. Let's go.
What happened?
No, I was going through like my backpack that I had taken in Miami.
Uh-huh.
And then like I was like trying to see if like I had left stuff in there, and I found this jar of wax. Like,
Oh, shit.
what the fuck? That is fucking wild. But what else is there? What is this?
Dabs, question mark? Yes, dabs.
Thanks. Nothing. Yeah, no, that shit's just. I guess I just forgot about it. Man.
That's fine.
Cool. I found loot. I think that's all that was in there, though. Would have been cool if I found some more.
Oh, we're coming down, baby. We're flushing.
R. Continuation downward.
W continuation trader. Golden Scar Loot Lake.
I got it off of 1 minute order block. I'm chilling. That shit tight as fuck.
Word, good
Like
shit.
asshole tight.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm in there like somewhere. Fuck what they talking about.
Where you got TP at?
The vibes. I'm going off of the vibes on this one. I'm just chilling and see how far down it goes.
I love
I'm
it.
up 73.7800 points right now. Jesus Christ. Or 80 points, my bad.
Jeez.
I'm trailing like 20 points behind, so I'm just
Just let that bitch
guaranteed
run.
63.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chill.
Bleed, market bleed.
All right, I'm out. Got like a smooth 65.
That's fire.
Yeah.
Good shit, dude.
Yeah.
Hmm?
I'm gonna see how it goes, but I might call it, but this shit might bleed the fuck out.
I think we're gonna call it soon too. Honestly, this was a good session. Don't want to give back profits, you know.
Yeah, for sure. And there you go.
Yeah, this bitch better bleed.
I probably should have traded the last candle instead, but
It's
this
valid,
is cool
bro.
too.
You take
Yeah.
your bread. You get in, you get out. That's it. Now you go enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks.
All we gotta do is just wake up tomorrow and do it all over again.
Uh-huh.
All right, fellas.
Yep, that's it for me.
Yeah. Does anyone have any questions? Want to go over any trades or anything?
Anybody?
All good.
All right, fellas. I think we're gonna call it here. We will see you guys tomorrow morning.
Catch you guys tomorrow.
Yep, catch y'all tomorrow.
Peace out, fellas.
Yes, sir.